Today I wanted to share a lamp that I just made. This lamp is in a steampunk style. It's got a couple of cages over LED Edison style bulbs. They're mounted onto some metal pipe, and the wires run through the pipe. And it has this, this is actually a switch. It's a water valve that was converted to an electrical switch. The base came from a 2001 Apple iMac. It's the metal Faraday cage that's inside of the base of the iMac. So I converted that and mounted piping onto it. Ran the wires through there, converted that to a power switch. So going around back here, that's where the CD tray was, and the power cord comes out of there. And I've got my logo on the back there. So kind of a very unusual, one-of-a-kind type lamp. I'm going to turn it on here. The switch, it just turns to the right and it lights up. Pretty cool. You could turn it again here. It turns off. You just keep turning it and it just cycles on and off all the way through. So there's my iMac Steampunk light lamp.